हे एवरीवन, सोच में लॉजिक, हाथ में कोड, यही है प्रोग्रामर का असली मोड। Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Tech Gyan for Kids. In this video, I'll explain methods step by step with simple examples. So let's dive in the level up for your Java skills. See, this is my channel Tech Gyan for Kids for students. So you will get a very important videos, and I make these videos for the exam point of view because your exams are very closer. So I just buckle up the topics very fast so that you can revise your topics by this channel. So the topic is the methods in Java. A method is a block of code that performs a specific task and runs only when it is called. What does it mean? This means if we want to reuse the code for just a reusability of the code and your make your program more reusable and more efficient, we use methods. So basically methods are of three types: the void type methods, return type methods, and static methods. So what we do, we will do it practically. So I have already make a video, I'll program for you. So this is a program of methods which I have already made. I'll explain you line by line what does it means. In this program, I just take a class with the name area. So what I do, see, I have told you that method is of void type first. So I just take access specifier public here and void, and this is the method name area1. Area1 is the method name, and I take two parameters inside this method, int l and int b. You can take any parameters because you're very well known that we can take a variable name except the keywords. So int l and int b, I have taken the two parameters here and just mention here. I just print system.out.println. I just multiply these two variables, length multiply breadth l into b. Have you noticed it? I haven't given any value of l and b in this method. So I close this method. Again, I take another method and just with the name of area2 and void is there, but I just do one thing that I put a static keyword before that method. Static keyword. So here I take a one parameter inside it, int side, and I'll just print this also. Side multiply side says multiply this. I multiply this parameters two times. Third, I again take a public access specifier and a method name of area3, but I put a data type before it. Int, double, float, whatever you want, you can insert here. Int. So I take a two parameters inside int L1 and int B1 here. And for this one, I'm going to do the third type of method, that is return type. So for the return type, if there is a data type mentioned before the method name, you have to write the return keyword here. So this return, and you just put the formula here, 2 into L1 plus B1. These are the three methods. See, first method is of void. Okay, second method I have taken static. And third method I have taken a data type, so I have to write the return with that one. Clear? So if I go to the main method, a method will never run if it is not called. So you have to call the methods in the main method. Okay, so main method, the calling of method is different depending upon the type of method you have taken before. So I have taken this void method. Void means no return type. So this method never returns a value. I have to call this method area1. This means I have to first make the object of a class. I think you will very much know about how to create an object of a class. First, you have to take a class name area. My class name is this one, area. Okay, and then a method object name. I have taken A as an object name. You can take any name, no problem. Equals to, this is a new keyword which is used to create an object of a class, and another class name, and this is called a constructor area. Okay, so by this I will create an object of a class. Why I create an object of a class? Because we have to call the methods with the help of object. So this is the object name A dot area. So I'm calling this area1 method. I'm calling this area1 method with the help of object A. Okay, so A dot area 1, and you have see that I have passed the two parameters inside it, int L and int B. So this I have given the values 4 and 3. This 4 value goes to int L and 3 value goes to int B. Okay, when I put this 4 and 3 here, the 4 copies here and 3 copies here. So what they will do? They will multiply 4 multiply 3 and print it. Next, I will call another method area2, and I give a 5 value inside it. Have you noticed that I haven't called this method with the object name? A dot area2. I directly write the name of method and the parameter. Why? Because I have taken this method as static. So static keyword is used. If you use a static keyword in a method, there is no need to create an object of a class. You can direct call that method by writing its name and passing the parameter value inside it. Okay. Third one. Third one is I have taken a method with the data type int. So this is a little bit complicated. You have to keep focus on there. If I want to call this area3 method, what I have to do? Just start from the right hand side. I just take an object name area3 and pass two parameters here, 2 and 3, L1 and B1. So what happens? This 2 and 3 directly copies to this L1 and B1, and they will solve this equation 2 multiply L1 plus B1. But it will return this output to the called method. You know, return keyword, what is return this keyword? The output will directly goes to the area where the method has been called. So if this also have an integer value, so for this integer value, we need some variable to save that value. So I have taken here variable here int s. So this after returning this value, this 2 into L1 plus will directly goes to the s, and I just print this s value here. Okay, so if I compile this one, so there is no syntax error. If I run this program by using a BlueJ, so let's run this one. Let me go to the BlueJ first. Yeah, this one. Okay, and if I run this with the main method and click on OK, so the output is here 12, 25, and 10. So by this way, the methods are very simple. What you have to do, you just have to know that how to make a method by void, by static, or by int. So void directly doesn't contain any return type, static doesn't need any object, and this int value, if you mention the int, double, or float value, then you have to do the right return type. Okay, I will make more videos on this. Please like and share these videos so that I can make more videos for you. Okay. Thank you so much.